Okay, so what I've got here is a setup where I've put water as far up these tubes as I could get it. It's quite fiddly and quite difficult to get it. So I've put a mark. There's a little blue mark there where the water level is now. And a mark there where the water level is now. And I'm going to... Okay, so I've put that on 210 volts and it'll take a little bit of time. I've tried to make these stand upright so that the bubbles will go upright. So what we've got here is we've got the cathode, which is the red lead, and that's where the oxygen is going to be attracted to because it's an anion, and we'll talk about anions later in the course. This black one is the anode, and that means that the hydrogen, which is a cation, and we'll talk about that later in the course, is going to go to this black one here. Now, water is H2O, so how much gas am I going to get in each tube as a ratio, one to the other? 1 to 2, yeah? I'm going to get 1 oxygen in here and 2 hydrogens in here. So for every oxygen, I should have 2 hydrogens. So this should empty faster than this one, yeah? If that's true. This one will empty faster than this one. Okay, so like I say, this will take some time. If I can stand that up. Is that showing it? No. What I'm going to do is put a pinch of salt in it, make it go quicker. The salt makes it go quicker because it carries a charge. It will do it without it, but slowly. So water will carry a charge, and you've probably heard of people getting electrocuted if they're standing in a puddle and a lightning strike hits the puddle. So, but I'm just adding a little bit of salt because it will make it go quicker. The trouble is, if I add too much salt, it will go too quickly and blow up the power pack, because I've done that before. We can see some bubbles forming. Actually, it looks like more bubbles are going. Oh, I'm losing bubbles even so. Sorry. This is the oxygen, and this one, sorry, I didn't see the wires crossed under the water. Okay, so this one is the cathode, the oxygen is going to this one, and the hydrogen is going to this one, so we expect this one to empty twice as fast as this one. Which is fortunate, because that's what's happening. Except I'm still losing a lot of the bubbles they're managing to get out. But I think you can see that there's a lot more going on here. You can see that there are bubbles at the top of this one, but it's much slower. So if we just leave that running and then we come back to it, will that balance there somehow so that you don't have to sit and watch it?